up? It's Chocha here. Got another video here for you today. They kind of threw me in a late game right here, so I'm kind of just gonna make the best of it. I just need some gameplay in the background while I speak to you guys. So let's talk about my route to saving up money for a vehicle. So I first got my job, and first got my job November 31st or 30th, one of the two. That's September, April, June, and November. Yeah, November 30th of 2015. Fucking bitch. 2015, and I was riding my skateboard 2 hours every fucking day to get to work. I don't know anyone that would do that shit, but I was doing it, and I was perfectly fine doing it. I didn't really give a shit. The car would have been nice, but at that point I was like, it is what it is. I had no interest in saving up for a car. My plan was always that I would go to the Air Force and that I would utilize their discount and get like 50% off or whatever the fuck it may be, because you know, military, you definitely get discounts and beautiful. So I'm like, why waste this little baby cash now, and I should just wait. So year passes, no car. I noticed one of the like garbage people, like the niggas what happened to my, oh, that's what happened. I don't know what the fuck I thought it was like Genji or something. I thought I had a sword. But that was one of the garbage people I worked with. I mean, he wasn't garbage, he was funny as fuck. But like, we always like talk shit about him, like always joked him, because you know, yeah, that's what you do. He ended up getting a fucking car, and this nigga had no hours. And the whole, like the fucking thing was maybe a year. He was working there, maybe a few months or some shit. Just saved up everything he got, and he wasn't getting hours, so it was, you know, he had to save up. I mean, he didn't have bills or anything, but regardless, he still had to save up like a lot, making fucking minimum wage and shit. So he gets a fucking car, and keep in mind the whole time I've talked shit about people that finance. The girlfriend has a car. I still have no car. My friends are getting cars, and I'm just sitting here looking fucking stupid. And it's just like, bruh. So you know, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna save, but eventually I'm just like, you know, fuck it. I always get to that point where I'll save, but then something will happen. I'll just like, what am I saying? If I see something, I buy it. That was always my thing. Like, I work hard enough that if I see something, why would I deny myself that? Why would I do that? I want to be happy. I want to have fun. So if I want to go out with my friends, I'm gonna go out with my friends. I'm not gonna be the person that lives check to check. I'm gonna have fun and do what the fuck I want to do. So that's what I've done like forever. And saving money never really went well for me. So that's that. Let's move on to me actually trying to get a vehicle. I didn't actually sit down and say to myself like, I need a fucking vehicle until sometime maybe 2017. Oh, about October. Not October. Maybe, what is that? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. About August of 2017. Yeah, about August 2017, I'm like, I need a fucking vehicle. I want one like for my birthday. And by that time, I'm like, alright, my uncle's gonna be coming down here in September. He comes out every September. He's in the fucking Air Force. So he's gonna be coming down here. So, you know, possibly, seeing as he's a mechanic, cars, airplanes, and all that shit, he can help me find something like for a good deal. And at this point, I'm thinking about dropping 1,000 and maybe 1,500 like max. And I saved up 1,500 at this point, or like 1,200 something, and I just told him it was 1,500, some shit like that. I don't really remember, but basically I wasn't trying to put more than 1,500. And he's just like, you know, I feel like you should save up more for it. Like, you know, you're not gonna get like a very good car for this. You're gonna get a $1,500 car or $1,500. Like, I suggest you save up maybe at least 2,000-3,000, you know, for a decent fucking vehicle. And at that point I was like, alright, fuck this, I don't want to do this anymore. It was just like, fuck, like I was killing myself to save up that little fucking amount of cash I had then. Like, literally, it was not eating shit, bro. I was like, bro, literally starving myself, eating what the fuck I could at work and shit, starving my fucking self, so I can try and get a fucking car as quick as fucking possible. Like, as quick. I wasn't trying to wait long term. I was trying to get it within like 2 months or some shit. Did not work. I mean, he still was trying to help me and shit. By the end of the day, it was just like, yeah, this isn't gonna cut it. So I kind of held off on that. Birthday came around, I went on fucking vacation with my girl, put that money on our vacation. Christmas came around, I started saving up right before Christmas again. I think I got about maybe another 1,000, 1,500. Ended up dropping out on Christmas presents for my sisters and my girlfriend and shit. So that disappeared pretty fucking quickly. I wasn't feeling it. Basically, I'm a fucking fail when it comes to saving money. I like to spend like crazy, and that's my story of me trying to save up my money. It didn't work. I'm stupid, and I'm retarded. So,